Yes, good morning, students. Very good morning. Students, today I'm going to start trigonometry. But trigonometry, what is the meaning of trigonometry and why it is being used and why it is being taught in the classes? Why? What is the use of that? So today we'll learn all the things. So trigonometry. Trigonometry means try. Try matlab three. Try means three. So where the place we get three things. In a triangle we get three things. In a triangle we get three things, three sides, three vertices, three angles. But trigonometry is based on the right angle triangle. It is based on the right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, I have made one right angle triangle that is ABC. That is one ABC. Suppose friends, here it is theta degree. It is theta degree. Then before it or opposite to angle, always you will get perpendicular. Clear? Opposite to that angle you will get perpendicular. This is base and this is hypotenuse. That is always hypotenuse. The longest side is always hypotenuse. So I'm taking you one thing. AP, Andhra Pradesh. Hmm? You can carry it. Andhra Pradesh. AP, angle perpendicular. Wherever you get angle, opposite it there will be perpendicular. It's clear? Andhra Pradesh, yaad rahega. You can carry it, you can learn it. Yes, no? Yes, you can learn it. So AP means wherever you'll get angle, opposite to it you will get perpendicular. Okay. And longest side is always hypotenuse, right? And the remaining smallest or whatever it is, that is base. Okay, it's clear. Okay, one more thing. Suppose students, here we are getting angle theta. This is A, this is B, this is C. Here we are getting angle theta. So what does it mean? If it is theta, AP, it is theta angle, then this will be perpendicular. Yes, this will be perpendicular. Okay, and that longest side, that is hypotenuse. Okay, and that is what? That is base. On the very condition, it will be called base. Clear, students? I think no doubt. Okay, students, in trigonometry, it is being made the ratio of the sides. Ratio of the sides. Suppose you want to get ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Suppose you want to get ratio of base and hypotenuse. Suppose you want to get the ratio between hypotenuse and base, hypotenuse and perpendicular. So there are ways. So what are these ways, students? I say sine theta, that is P upon H. That is P upon H. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hmm? And today we learn it with music. We will learn it with music. कैसे? We will sing a song. This is the शेर. शेर पे हाथी. ध्यान रहेगा. शेर पर एक हाथी बैठा हुआ है. उसको लिखेंगे हम. शेर पे बैठा हाथी. What do we say? शेर पे बैठा हाथी. बैठा अपने मन में याद करेंगे. शेर पे बैठा हाथी. शेर पे बैठा हाथी. पे मतलब पी, एच मतलब हाथी. तो साइन थीटा हो गया पी अपॉन एच. क्लियर? देखो आपको बहुत जल्दी याद हो जाएगा. With my musical instruments, no, I don't have any musical instrument, but I have my musical maths. So शेर पे बैठा हाथी and cos. Cos थीटा होता है B upon H. Hold on. कैट भी है हाथी. We can say it. Yes, we can say. शेर पे बैठा हाथी, कैट भी है हाथी. कैट cos base hypotenuse, right? इसके बाद tan थीटा P अपॉन B. तो हम बोलते हैं टाइगर पे बैठा बंदर, टाइगर पे बैठा बंदर और बोल मेरे साथी. कितने प्यार से आपने एक सॉन्ग गाया. दैट इज ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल सॉन्ग्स. आपको मैं ऐसे याद कराता हूँ. दीज आर चंक्स. दीज आर चंक्स स्टूडेंट्स. ये याद करने के वो तरीके हैं, जब एक बच्चा इनको याद कर लेता है तो जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलता है. जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलता. सो व्हाट इज दैट? शेर पे बैठा हाथी, कैट भी है हाथी, टाइगर पे बैठा बंदर, बोल मेरे साथी. आया? आया समझ? यस. सो साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू पी अपॉन एच, cos theta is equal to p upon h, and tan theta is equal to p upon b. It's clear? So you can learn it. No problem. You can learn it. तो हम किसी बच्चे से पूछते हैं what is sin theta, and he says or she says, sir, sin theta p upon h. बेटा, how could you recall it so quick? And she told, or he tells, sir, शेर पे बैठा हाथी. तो sin theta is equal to p upon h. It's clear? Okay. Should I rub it, students? Okay, I'm rubbing it. ये स्टूडेंट, these videos I am making for you only. ये भारत के उन सभी बच्चों के लिए है उनको याद करने में लगता है कि यार ये ट्रिगोनोमेट्री कैसी है, हमको तो याद ही नहीं हो रही है. बट आफ्टर दिस वीडियो यू विल गेट, you can learn it easily, no problem. Okay. Suppose friends, here it is being given. It is 3, it is 4, it is 5, it is theta. Suppose anyone asks you, what is sin theta? What you will say? शेर पे बैठा हाथी. 3/5. Very good. Cos theta. कैट भी है हाथी. 4/5. Tan theta. टाइगर पे बैठा बंदर, बंदर पे बैठा बंदर. 3/4. Clear? Yes. 3 को थोड़ा ठीक कर दो. This is 3/4. So you get all the things. Yes, you got. So sin theta p upon h, cos theta b upon h, tan theta p upon b. So बिल्कुल simple method. In the simple method you can learn. शेर पे बैठा हाथी, कैट भी है हाथी, टाइगर पे बैठा बंदर, बोल मेरे साथी. Got it? Okay, students. Students, one more thing I want to tell you. जो साइन थीटा है ना, उसका उल्टा क्या होता है? उसका उल्टा होता है कोसेक थीटा. तो कोसेक क्या हो जाएगा? बिल्कुल उसका h अपॉन b है बेटा. और सेक थीटा, सेक क्या हो जाएगा? उल्टा कर दो, h अपॉन b है ना. और कॉट क्या हो जाएगा? इसका उल्टा कर दो, b अपॉन b. लो, आपको सारी चीजें याद हो गई. साइन, कॉस, टेन, कोसेक, सेक, कॉट. It's clear? Okay, very good. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.